Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday morning. Today is going to be quite a busy day for me today. I have quite a few rounds to make, and I have got a super late start. So it is 10:56. Oh my gosh, I slept in this morning, and that is not like me. However, I feel refreshed and I'm ready to get on this journey. Let's get going. Wow. And then I have to get gas. Ooh, man. There is no way. I am so not prepared today. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna pray and we're gonna move forward. We have a list and we're gonna check off what's on that list. And it's still gonna be a great day. Because guess what? I'm gonna make it a great day. I'm in control. Let's go. Okay guys, we just made it to the meat market, and I am going to try to get a little bit of footage of the items that they offer here at the meat market. Okay, I am in pursuit of 80 pounds of chicken quarters. So okay, let me go and grab me a buggy because they're going fast. I'll see you inside. Thank you very much. All right, guys, we have secured the 80 pounds of chicken leg quarters. And now I am getting ready to go back home and get these already prepped. I'm gonna get them all cleaned up, bagged up, so that long process does not have to occur the week of the event. Because that's a lengthy process, because I clean my chicken thoroughly when I'm making leg quarters, because you know they come with the excess skin and all that stuff. So it's a must for me. So now we're getting ready to get our chicken back to the house and get it cleaned up, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the process. And my grandkids are coming over, so I know I need to go ahead and get that done. And this is going to be like a 2-hour, by the time I get home, it's going to be a 2-hour process by the time I get it all taken care of. Okay, so we'll see you in the next clip.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
And this is how they come. They come in 4 10-pound bags. So we have 40 pounds in each case. And I have 2 of these. So I have 80 pounds of chicken to try to get all cleaned up. And I'm going to bag them up. Got my 2 sinks already lined up in my trash bag. And it's going to be easy to clean up. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. This is a leg quarter, and it has lots of extra skin and fat. And I'm going to separate the leg and the thigh, and we're going to get it all cleaned up. So we're going to find the joint, and we're just going to cut our leg easily away from our thigh. I like to try to do like 4 at a time to speed the process up. And check that out. So we're just going to take that part there along with that part, and we're just going to cut. And you can absolutely use this part to make chicken broth. Be perfect for that. And I like to go in there and get some of that extra skin off there. See? Okay, on one side of the thigh, there is a cavity that houses extra gunk that looks like liver. In my opinion, it has to go. Now, I have seen some chicken cooked with that still attached, but I don't like it in my chicken, so yes, it has to go. You just want to run it up under some water and make sure it's nice and clean in there. But this is our dirty sink over here. Get everything nice and washed up. And then we have a sink to put all the clean chicken. See that? And for my legs, I just make sure that there is no excess fat that's hanging over. Make sure you pull this yellow part off of that leg back there. And that's how we clean our legs. And that is it. That's how I clean my chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and continue cleaning my chicken because I have a long way to go. So I will see you guys at the end. Okay guys, I just completed one 10-pound bag of our chicken quarters, of our leg quarters. And this is what we have here. And I have separated the leg from the thigh, and I'm going to bag them up separately. So for that 10-pound bag, I have 10 chicken thighs and I have 10 chicken legs. Okay, we're going to continue on. Guys, this is the end of the video. And as you can see, I have my grandson here. This is Cassius. Hold on. Okay, Cassius, grab my stuff up for you. Okay. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is great when you keep it simple. Bye for now. We'll see you in the next one. Tell them bye-bye.